Data interpretation logical reasoning is just two things. You really cannot, when you build yourself on DI and LR, you really cannot ask somebody to teach you theory. It's basically problem solving through which people will teach you. So you will get assisted problem solving as the core method of learning how superior people do it. And then self problem solving is the ultimate pill that you need to have. And typically the thumb rule is that you do around 50 sets of DI and 50 sets of LR under assisted problem solving structures. And the Mindworks course, we have more than 200 there, by the way. And then the self problem solving that you need to do is around 300 sets each. 300 sets of DI and 300 sets of LR. You start from the easy ones, but as you keep switching across 100, 150, 200 sets, keep going to more and more difficult questions. And again, the last 2-3 months of preparation. So this target you should typically do in a 15-week period. So approximately 20 sets per week should be your target in DI and 20 sets. This is equal, this is not complete for DI plus LR. This is how much you need to do for DI and this is how much you need to do for LR. ठीक है, कुछ लोग का हो सकता है 200 में हो जाए, but you can judge that, right? 200 यहाँ पे करते हैं और उसके बाद इसमें बाकी कर लेंगे, so that's also okay. But if you want a complete safety, then 300 is a good number to target, right? But 200 में भी हो जाएगा काम. So coming back, last 2 months में previous year questions and mock tests. And one thing that I always tell my teachers also and my students कि CAT के previous year questions, specifically CAT 17 to 22 के questions, don't watch them, don't see them, don't solve them unless you take those tests as mock tests. So take every test of CAT 17 to 22 as mock test, because during the mocks, during your analysis, you need to know कि अभी मेरा जो preparation है 15 सितंबर को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि इस पॉइंट में मेरा जो प्रिपरेशन है इसमें अगर मैं कैट का पेपर देता तो मेरा स्कोर क्या होता. तो अगर तुम कैट के ओरिजिनल पेपर्स को मई जून जुलाई में सॉल्व कर लियो तो 15 सितंबर के बाद को तुम्हारे पास कोई कैट का पेपर ही नहीं रहेगा टू एक्चुअली टेक एज अ मॉक एंड अ टेस्ट. सो डोंट मेक द मिस्टेक ऑफ यूजिंग द कैट पेपर्स टू स्टार्ट ऑफ. दे आर ब्रिलियंट क्वेश्चंस एंड दे आर वेरी गुड प्रैक्टिस मटेरियल, but they have a very important diagnostic element which you want desperately in September and October to understand, because last में क्या होता है ना, once you start taking the mocks, you start looking at कि मेरा gap क्या है. So mocks में suppose तुमको 80 आ रहा है, right? या किसी सेक्शन में, quant सेक्शन में mocks में तुमको 30 आ रहा है, तुमको 45 चाहिए, तो तुमको लग रहा है कि 15 का gap है. तुम actual CAT पेपर दे के देखो तो तुमको 40 आता है उसमें. तो the gap actually then is justified because what the CAT paper is telling you is that you are good enough to get 40. So वो belief के लिए बहुत important हो जाता है. So but if you have used the CAT papers beforehand, so then it will be a waste of your, it will be a waste of that resource. So previous year questions should be beyond doing this. After doing this part, तो इस part में previous year questions करना है. previous year questions तो 99 to 2008 का करो, 17 to 22 को मत करो. 9 to 16 तो मिलता नहीं है, they have never released those papers, so you will not get any papers from 9 to 16. और लास्ट में फिर मॉक टेस्ट, ऑफ कोर्स एज आई सेड 40 मॉक टेस्ट करोगे तो 150-200 DI और LR के सेट और ऐड होंगे, विच विल बी द फाइनल आइसिंग ऑन द केक. सो दैट्स अबाउट DI LR.